In the quaint, secluded village of Elderwood, a chilling mystery had begun to unfold. The villagers were plagued by an eerie, inexplicable phenomenon, whispers that seemed to emanate from the very walls of their homes. These whispers were not the usual murmurs of the wind or the creaking of aged timbers. They were distinct, almost human, and each carried a sense of foreboding that sent shivers down the spines of those who heard them. The villagers lived in a constant state of unnerving tension, their sleep disturbed by the haunting echoes of the unseen. The village elder, a stout, gray-haired man named Thomas, decided it was time to call upon the help of the renowned paranormal investigator, Professor Archibald. Known for his keen intellect and vast knowledge of the supernatural, Archibald was the only one who could unravel this enigma. Upon his arrival, Archibald was greeted by a somber atmosphere. He inspected the village, his keen eyes scanning every nook and cranny. He questioned the villagers, his sharp, inquisitive mind sifting through their stories, searching for any inconsistencies or hidden details that could help him solve the mystery. The professor spent days and nights delving into the case. He consulted ancient texts, conducted experiments, and even summoned a séance, hoping to make contact with the spirit that was causing the whispers. Finally, on the eve of his departure, Archibald made a startling discovery. The whispers were not the work of a malevolent spirit, but rather a manifestation of the collective fear and anxiety of the villagers themselves. The whispers were a self-fulfilling prophecy, a manifestation of the villagers' subconscious fears brought to life by their own collective anxiety. Archibald explained his findings to the villagers, who were initially skeptical. However, as the whispers began to fade, their disbelief turned to awe. The villagers, once terrified, now found a new sense of unity and strength in their shared ordeal. The village of Elderwood was saved from the grip of the unseen whispers. The villagers, forever changed, would remember the night the paranormal investigator unraveled the enigma of their fears. And as for Archibald, he returned to his studies, his curiosity piqued by the strange and inexplicable, always ready to uncover the next supernatural mystery.